Welcome back. I'll explain what this assignment is. Like in this assignment, we want to take a text file as an input, and then we take a word as an input, and then we search for that particular word, how many times it has occurred, in that particular input file. Okay. Before that, if a file could have 20 lines of text, we may ask the program to print first 10 lines, let's say. So when n is passed as 10, we just print the first 10 lines of a 20 line text file. Okay. So the way it is done is there are two functions corresponding to that functionality. So first we take file name, word to be searched, how many lines we are interested in, and then count the occurrences of a given word, read the first n lines. Okay, and then we call the corresponding functions. In the word, like where we are calculating word, the way it is done is we first open the file in read mode. Okay, read mode, and for every line, right, for every line we strip off the trailing blank spaces, and then we split it on space. Why? Because when you split it on space, you get the words. If that word is equal to desired word, past word, we increment the count. Else, we don't increment the count. And while searching for the number of lines, the way it is done is again we open the file in read mode, and then we loop over all the lines, but for print first desired lines only. Okay, there may be 20 lines, but if we are interested in 10, first 10 lines we print. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, so before this, let me show you a sample text file. This is a text file. Like I have created in a very simple manner. You can have a lot of text in it to make it more meaningful. The way I'm doing it is there are 5 lines here, and then on every line high is there. So like in the way I'll do it is I'll search for high. Okay, it should print 5, and if I ask it to print first 4 lines, it should print first 4 lines. Okay, let me run this program. Let me run this program. Yeah, run without debugging. Okay, intentionally see the enter the file to be searched. That file, whatever you want to search, should be in the same directory. So I'll just print it as sample dot txt. I already have it in the same directory, and enter the word to be searched, capital H small I, and I'll say how many lines to be printed. Although there are 5 lines, I want to print only 4. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so search high, how many lines? 4. High occurred 5 times. Okay, this is the count is correct, and we are interested in out of 5 first 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how it is. So what all we have learned in this program. No, I'm not asking that every time, but the objective of this program is to study file operations, counting words. Okay, counting words, and then yeah, you also learned string operations in this program. Now let's go to 6b. This is write a Python program to create a zip file of a particular folder which contains several files inside it. So yeah, the way it is done is let's take one particular directory. Let's choose this PDF directory has 2 files. Okay, sample page 1, sample page 2. Okay, we want to zip this PDF file directory and create a archive with my archive.zip. Okay, already there is a my archive zip here. I had run some time back. I'll delete this my archive zip. Okay, I'll delete this my archive zip. Okay, and then let me run this program. Okay, let me run this program. So the when I run this program, this PDF files directory, because I'm passing it as a parameter, should get zipped as myarchive.zip. Okay, myarchive.zip should get created here. Okay, so this is my archive. Why zip? Because I am extensively instructing it to, like, create with the .zip extension, and the way we do it is using shutil. Okay, so there is a module called make archive in shutil. We make use of it. So first, OS path expand user. So, like, this dot is current directory. Dot is current directory, and then, like, yeah, current directory. In the current directory, we want to create a archive with the name my archive, and the root directory that we intend to archive is like with having PDF files name here. Okay, and then we are also checking whether this directory exists or not, meaning the intended directory that we want to archive exists or not. This PDF file directory exists or not. If it is not, then you have to say not a valid directory for archive, and then make archive in Moog. Okay, let me run this program. Let me run this program 6b. See here, there is, like, please see here, there is no my archive. It will create the archive. Okay, see here, my archive got created here. My archive got created here. Okay. So my archive got created here. Like, so this is the way. So this program also will be there. And if you, like, launch it and check it here outside of this, of course, VS Code directory, like these two files will be zipped in it. Sample page one, sample page two. Okay, that's pretty much it. So this is to demonstrate, like, zipping and other kind of activities you can do using Python program. So that is the intention of this program over here. Um, yeah, like, of course, this helps a lot in activities like robotic process automation, things like that. So if you choose a career in software industry, like you will do, and if you encounter RPA, robotic process automation, you will encounter frequent operations of that sort. Thank you.